Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to say thank you to everybody who has recently subscribed to the channel, the comments that I've been getting, as well as my last video that I put out. All of the views and everybody that's been watching that video, I greatly appreciate it. Guys, if you could continue to watch those videos, share the videos with your friends and anybody else, so that way we can get this thing growing even more. Today I'm out here on the range by myself, and what I'm gonna do, I'm getting some practice in, getting in a little bit of training, because training is very important. It does no good for you to buy all your guns and your gear if you're not going to get out on the range and train. So I've got on my duty stuff because if you wear this stuff on duty, you need to train with the stuff you have on. That way, when you put it on and you're actually having to face some kind of a threat or anything like that, your gear is not hindering you from everything that you need to be doing. So I'm out here on the range, and what I'm about to do is run through a pistol qualification course that I wrote up. It's a little different from our state basic qualification course for law enforcement. So like I said, it's something that I wrote up. It has a little bit of what I did whenever I did go through the academy, and then a little bit of extra stuff that I've picked up along the way. Some of it does involve some medical stuff that I learned from Alert, so that'll be something probably that you guys haven't seen a whole lot of on the range. So hope you guys enjoy this, and let's see how we do. Trying to get these camera angles right, y'all, because I am still a one-man show. Okay, so we're going to be starting off here from the 25-yard line. Somewhere in this course of fire, you will see an immediate action drill. I did load the magazine, so I do know where it's coming. However, it should still kind of surprise me whenever I do this, so be looking out for that. Also, there's going to be some moving around a little bit, but like I said, and I will be using my shot timer on each one of these, so that way I can make sure that I'm getting these done within the time limit. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. Okay, here we go. Starting off, loaded magazine with 15 rounds plus my one dummy round for my immediate action drill. First course of fire, we're going to do 6 rounds from the holster within 25 seconds. That's going to include the immediate action drill. So here we go, guys. Let me make sure I got this set right. Okay. Okay, so I'm getting it. Okay, so I got my delay time set right and everything like that. So here we go, y'all. Ready to go. First course of fire from the 25-yard line, 6 rounds, including immediate action drill. That's going to be within 25 seconds. Shooter ready. All right, and I did that in 10.7 seconds. Okay, now from the ready, I'm gonna fire 3 rounds standing. I'm gonna drop down, fire 3 rounds from the kneeling position, and that's supposed to be in 20 seconds. So let me. All right, here we go. Looks like, yeah, I'm still having plenty of time. I need to slow it down a little bit. Now from the ready, 3 rounds kneeling, do a combat reload, 3 rounds standing, and 20 seconds. Holster. All right, leave that magazine there. We're gonna move up to the 3-yard line. And guys, I will score the target and let you guys know what the score was to see if I passed this or not. And just a quick look at that. I'm not too pleased with what I'm seeing right there. So, oh, it's kind of cold out here, guys. All right. So now from the 3-yard line, there's going to be a series of firing, strong hand, weak hand, both hands. So now the timer is going to go pretty fast. All right. From the holster, shooting both hands, 2 seconds. So 2 rounds, both hands in 2 seconds. Shooter ready. Oh, that was a close one. I almost didn't beat my timer. Because now this one is from the ready, 3 seconds. Okay, back up, I'm ready. Here we go. Okay, holster. Now we're gonna do from the ready, your support hand or your weak hand only. And this is going to be in 5 seconds. So you got to come up out of your holster, switch it over, 2 hands or 2 rounds with my weak hand. All right. And then from the ready, 2 rounds, support hand only, 3 seconds. Let me change my time again. All right, here we go. I'm ready. All right, then I can holster. Now this one is going to be 2 rounds, strong hand only, still at 3 seconds. Okay. All right. Now this one from the ready, I'm gonna fire 2 rounds, strong hand only. I'm gonna have to do a strong hand combat reload. And for this one, I am going to also try to take out my tourniquet, put it on according to alert, or not really according to alert, but well, yes, according to alert, you should be able to get your tourniquet on one of your extremities within 20 seconds, and they recommend if you can do it within 20 seconds with your non-dominant or your weak hand, then you're in good conditions. If you do take a round somewhere, it's going to minimize that chances of you bleeding out. So I'm going to add 20 seconds on here. So we're going to go with about 30 seconds. That should give me the 20 seconds to get the tourniquet on, as well as getting my shots off. So 30 seconds on the clock. And again, 2 rounds. Put the tourniquet on. I got to do a strong hand only reload, and then get back into the fight. So here we go. The radio's in the way. I didn't make it. But I gotta keep going. Gotta finish it. Okay, I maybe need more time on this course of fire. Tourniquet is on good. It's just my radio, I couldn't even get it around again. But and hopefully you guys see how crucial that is, trying to get this out of the carrier and get it tightened down, and trying to work around my radio antenna and stuff like that. It was a little cumbersome. So that's how important that is, guys. Okay. Let's restow this. Alright, pick up this magazine here, and then I still got that other one back there that I got to pick up, as well as my I didn't see that. I got 3 of them outside, so no bueno. I'm gonna have to work on it. Alright, moving back to the 7. Or is this? I think this is the 15. Yeah, that's the 15. So the 7 is right here. Okay. All right, now I gotta take these last 5 bullets that I have in my pocket here. Sorry, I forgot to mention that when you load up, you should have 15 rounds and 15 rounds in your magazines. This is a 50 round course, so you're loading up 15, 15, and 15, and then your remaining 5, you put them in your pockets, because now at this point, you're going to load these last 5 into that empty magazine and put it back in one of your magazine holders. So, all right. Now from the holster, we're going to fire 3 rounds in 6 seconds. All right, here we go. There we go. Now I'm gonna angle y'all one more time. All right. Okay, from the ready, fire 3 rounds, 5 seconds. Okay, now this one you're also going to have a tactical reload. So here we go, 3 rounds, 5 seconds, tactical reload, and then holster. Alright, and now what we're about to do here, I'm going to have to walk it up, but in this course of fire, the remaining rounds that I have, I'm going to start back here at the 7, start shooting, working my way up to the target or to the 3-yard line here. There will be a combat reload in this. Sorry, I'm off camera. So I'm going to start here at the 7, start firing on the timer, and then working my way up here to the 3-yard line, firing the remainder rounds with a combat reload in there. And throughout this course of fire, you do not stop at any time. So once I start firing, I'm going to make my way to the target shooting, combat reload on the way, finishing off on the target there. And this one doesn't really have a time. I just said you're going to go until you get to the 3-yard line, but I'm going to try this in, we'll say 10 seconds. That should be plenty. All right, here we go. Timer got me. I didn't get it all off within the time limit. So, weapon is clear, magazines are out. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab my target, head back here to the table, and start counting this stuff up. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm not gonna lie, I struggled counting this thing, but I know you guys can't see that right there. Total score is 423. That's not bad, but for me, I am not too pleased with that, mainly because as one of the firearms instructors here at my department, and the fact that I wrote this course, I should do a lot better. So what does that tell me? For one, some of these I might have to adjust the time limits on them, but you still got to get faster with it. But then also, I need to do a better job of shooting. I need to practice more, so that way you can be a lot better, because this is supposed to be like I said, an advanced pistol course that I put together aside from our state's basic pistol qualification for those that go through the police academy. And so if this is going to be my course, I'm going to be running it, I need to be able to actually perform it and perform it within the time limits that I've kind of set up. Again, I'm gonna keep working on this, getting it dialed in, but that's all I got, guys. Hit that thumbs up button if you guys like the video. Leave me comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Just one second. Okay, so as I was saying, had to take a work call there. As I was saying, guys, that was it for the video. Continue to watch these videos, share the videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm still doing that giveaway, so make sure you, whenever you subscribe, shoot me a comment to let me know that you just subscribed so I can add you to the wheel. Everybody that has subscribed in the last few days, I did get y'all added on there. I didn't go back on there and message everybody individually, but I did get you guys added. I appreciate that. We went from like 140 something, I think now I'm at 160 something. So within a few days, lots of people have subscribed, and I greatly appreciate that. That's it, guys. So again, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell on the notification bell. Click all, so that way every time I put out a video, you guys get notified about it. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button if you like this video, and please drop comments. And hopefully I'll see you guys out there on the range training. Train hard, train smart, be safe.